So I installed these rear sliders and front sliders, axle sliders. It's a 5-minute install from a company called T-Rex. Looks very good quality. The only thing you have to do is, I think you have to remove the cotter pin on the rear axle sliders and then put it in. The holes are of different size on the KLX. So the axle, the pipe or the axle that goes in from here doesn't come out on the other side. So the other side, the bolt actually goes in. You see this bolt? That's the bolt that goes in from the other side, because the other side is a little smaller as far as the hole goes. So only the bolt can insert from the other side. So the pipe goes in from this side and the bolt comes in from the other side. And that's it. It's very easy install. Cotter pin removed.